Something that we've implemented on this trip out here, which I think is really exciting, is working on ways that we can really double down on what we're doing on the heat exchanger side and wort line side in order to make sure that we're as sterile as possible going from the kettle through the heat exchanger to the fermenter. So we've been implementing a block and bleed right here. You can see that this unit right here down, we've seen this block and bleed before, sight glass, T, valved out on both sides. This right now is returning really 195 degree water, 190 degree water back to the kettle, because before we started the mash-in process, we added a couple of barrels of water to the kettle. They were able to turn on the lower steam jacket to heat that up. And now we're utilizing the pump that's part of the brew house to push this through the heat exchanger and then loop this back around. The whole idea is that we're getting this entire thing, the heat exchanger, which had been cleaned thoroughly and forwards and backwards yesterday. And then now we're pushing all this sterile water through. We also, when we started to push this sterile water through to heat up this whole system, we utilized the block and bleed right here to knock out any residual cooled water that was in the heat exchanger, and then we can click close and open and push that thing through.